Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Google Meet. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. In the end, you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.